Make it quick.
Dude, give me 1 minute.
Go! Daniel?
Oh, no way.
I saw these on the car last night. 3 scratches just like that.
You didn't stop, did you? It's something unholy.
Something's following us.
Saint Christopher, protect me today. All my time. Give us your warning sign. If danger is near. Danger is near. Danger is near.
No one outruns a passenger.